Hey guys, I'm out here for phones in Nepal, and this is my full review of Huawei's latest mid-tier smartphone, the Huawei Y9 2018. So without any further delay, let us get straight into the video. The Huawei Y9 2018, also known as the Nova 2i Lite in other parts of the world, is yet another product offering similar to Huawei's best-selling smartphone, the Nova 2i. Priced at Rs 25,900, the phone brings a lot of what we loved about the Nova 2i in a fresher body. One of the major attractions still is the 5.93-inch Full HD Plus near bezel-less IPS display with an 18:9 aspect ratio. This, coupled with the 2.5D glass, gives the phone an elegant look. Not only the appearance, but the actual quality of the display is stunning. Images and text look sharp with a variable scale of brightness and vivid colors. And encasing this behemoth of a display is a metallic shell which not only looks good but also feels quite premium in the hands. The phone is also ergonomic, making it easy to use with just one hand. Under the hood, the Huawei Y9 2018 packs an octa-core high-silicon Kirin 659 processor coupled with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. This time around, the phone packs a triple slot where you can use two SIM card and a memory card simultaneously without any compromises. This slot also aids in expanding the storage of the phone up to 256GB via a micro SD card. Performance-wise, the phone flew through everything that I threw at it. Doing the basics like going through Facebook, posting some Instagram pictures and surfing the internet was no problem for the phone. I also didn't notice any visible lags or stutters while it performed such tasks. Gaming too on the Y9 2018 with the Mali T830 GPU was a delight. I was easily able to play titles like Asphalt 8 and Clash Royale without any issues. I went a step further and fired up PUBG, which the game defaulted to the lowest graphic settings on this phone. The game was playable and I didn't notice any major drop frames during my session. Gaming on this phone was a joy, especially due to the inclusion of the game suite. It dealt with any of those interrupting phone calls and pesky notifications. It also provided me with different modes to bolster my gaming experience. Moving on, at the software front, the Y9 2018 runs EMUI 8.0 based on Android 8.0 Oreo. It is a sweet deal that the phone is offering Android Oreo out of the box. The software from Huawei comes packed to the booth with tons of features. Features like Highboard, App Twin, the customizable navigation keys, and the new karaoke mode are super useful and came in handy at times. My small pet peeve with the UI, however, is the lack of consistency of the icons. I would have appreciated it if the icons were all rounded or all spherical. That said, the overall software experience of using the device has been very good without any hiccups. Huawei, just like the Nova 2i, is marketing the Y9 2018 as a camera phone. It is understandable as the phone packs a similar 4-camera setup as its cousin. The rear of the device houses two of the 4 cameras, combining a 13-megapixel and a 2-megapixel sensor. Shooting pictures with the pair has been a surreal experience. The picture quality of the phone is very good with adequate amount of details, sharpness, and warmth. The camera UI too is packed with a lot of modes. Swipe to the right in the camera app and you will be greeted with plenty of creative and fun modes to play with. All the classics like Pro Photo Mode, Light Painting, and Time Lapse are here. Sadly, the phone this time around does not pack a slow-mo feature, which is a bit surprising. The phone, however, packs a new feature dubbed the AR lens. What this feature basically does is that it makes use of augmented reality to add a fun overlay on top of your face, very reminiscent of Snapchat. Besides that, you can also change the background of your photo in real time, which is a neat addition. Additional overlays and backgrounds are downloadable from the Play Store via the app Pitu. You can also add a background image from your own gallery if you so choose to do so. I personally love this feature. It's a great way to send a cute selfie to your significant other, especially for you ladies. The Huawei Y9 2018 also has a dual front camera setup made by a 16-megapixel and a 2-megapixel sensor. Selfies from the camera were social media worthy with a lot of details, sharpness, and depth. Just like the rear shooters, the front camera also comes with a portrait mode to get those bokeh-rich shots we all love. Not only the daytime shots, but the low-light capabilities of the cameras are also quite good. I was able to get some decent looking shots with a minimal amount of grain and softness. Overall, the cameras on the Huawei Y9 2018 are great, especially considering its price. And just sitting below the rear cameras is a fingerprint scanner that works very well. I was easily able to unlock the phone in a jiffy. That said, I haven't made much use of it as I'm more inclined towards the face unlock feature that the phone comes with. It works super well to the point that it surprised me. It was able to detect my face and unlock the phone in a pitch black room. As long as your eyes are facing the phone and your mouth and nose aren't covered, the phone will unlock. The Huawei Y9 2018 also has a bottom-firing speaker which provides a decent output but lacks a bit of bass. That said, the speaker gets the job done and will cater just fine to the needs of most people. And finally, powering this device all up is a 4000 mAh non-user removable battery. The battery life of this phone has been great as it lasted me a good 5 to 6 hours of on-screen time with my medium to heavy users of the phone. This without a doubt will be enough to get users through a day of uses on a single charge. That said, the phone packs an outdated USB 2.0 instead of the now standard USB Type-C, which is quite a bummer but should not be an issue as of right now. The phone also does not come with any fast charging capabilities, making juicing the device up a chore. So to sum it all up, the Huawei Y9 2018 is an amazing smartphone that has a lot to offer. It takes a lot of cues from the Nova 2i, which is a good thing. It offers all the goodness of the Nova 2i, except some differences in a more modern body and at an affordable price tag. For just Rs 25,900, you're getting a lot from the phone, including a near bezel-less display, quad camera setup, AR capabilities, face unlock, and much more. There's no doubt that the Huawei Y9 2018 is the best smartphone under Rs 26,000 right now in Nepal. So that's about it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The full written review of the Huawei Y9 2018 is available at our website. Links will be down in the description. As always, guys, it's been me, Samrat for Phones in Nepal, and I'll see you guys in the next one.